Hi guys, Uncle Deke here. I thought I'd show you what I've been working on. A little something for the Skywalker to try. Got the idea from Bonafide Pirate. Mount made out of wood right here. Same way, with a camera, this camera on top of it. And I got this from fpvlr.com. There's your web page right there. Now it came already assembled. All of the wood part came assembled. You have to use your own servos for the pan and tilt. Servo goes right there. And you have to come up with your own wire that goes in between here. Had to make several before I came up with a good one. Now the board for the camera, camera, will fit on either side. Has a slot just like this. Now I had to trim it a little. Didn't want to fit just right, not flush enough over here. You can put it on either side. I had to supply my nuts and spacers. It's made to fit the Mobius camera. And the top will come off of it. Top comes off. But in reality, you know, I don't know why a piece of tape or something over that and save the weight of this thick piece of plywood. I don't know. And it'd help it cool a little better. And you could get to now you can get to the buttons through a slot right here. But I don't know. I may try it without it. This is just to show you what it looks like. Will fit either Mobius. There's a place in the back. Now you can access the card, but tell me, how are you going to get to that card in that little slot? And there's two little holes there for the light in the back. I had to whittle down the connection right here to get it to fit in the slot. And my pet peeve with the whole thing is it was completely disassembled, assembled when it came. Okay, but this slot in here, right in here, there was just way too much slop in it, and it just wobbled back and forth. So I took a piece of plastic and I hammered that silly plastic until it was just the right thickness, and put a little spot of super glue in there to hold it in. And now it was real jerky before, so now it works pretty good. And then I put it right on top. I have a sail winch servo in here, and it just fits right on top of the servo arm for that. And it goes almost all the way around. Now I'm also running two cameras here. I could run here's two ways to look at it. You could run the Mobius just to take pictures. But I'm experimenting with something else. I got Hobby King's 3-way camera switcher. And I'm running, this is my main camera, and this is the secondary camera. And I could hook up three, but I'm out of 3-way switches on my radio. So right now I'm just going to use two. And I can switch between these views, which is pretty cool. So this is a little bit of a tease to show you what it looks like. Don't need to show you how I built it because it was already built. All I did was glue this part on right here, and hook the camera onto the back of it and wire it up and fasten it to my servo, and there you go. Also, something that kind of surprised me, I got a piece of Velcro on the bottom of the Mobius, and I didn't know whether it fit in there, but it fits in there snug, but it fits in there good. I don't know whether you'd even have to fasten this in at all. It fits down in there real snug. And I suppose that wood piece on top would be alright in the rain, but I'm not going to fly in the rain. So here you go. The Mobius Pan and Tilt from fpvlr.com. Okay. As soon as the weather clears, I'll get outside and show you what it looks like. Kind of excited. Of course, the Mobius is super wide angle, and this is not. And gives you a comparison of two different pictures. When I was using the GoPro, I was not using it as a view camera. I could have. I can now. But here we go.